Feeling sluggish, foggy-headed, or like your brain is running on low battery? You're not alone. But before you reach for another coffee, consider this: dehydration might be the culprit sabotaging your energy and well-being. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of water intake, revealing the surprising science behind optimal hydration and its power to unlock your full potential. Forget generic 8 glasses a day guidelines, we're diving deeper. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're ready to unleash the transformative power of personalized hydration. Discover how your unique body, activity level, and even climate can influence your water needs. Let's ditch the confusion and personalize your hydration strategy for peak performance. Now, picture this: your brain is 73% water. Dehydration shrinks those precious brain cells, impacting focus, memory, and even mood. Staying hydrated lubricates your mental gears, keeping your thoughts sharp and your emotions balanced. Imagine conquering that presentation or acing that exam, all thanks to the power of water. But hydration isn't just about brain power, it's a full-body rejuvenation. Think clear, glowing skin, boosted energy levels, and even improved digestion. Water flushes toxins, carries nutrients, and regulates your internal temperature, keeping you feeling energized and vibrant from the inside out. Remember, water is the foundation of optimal health, and it's readily available, so why settle for anything less? Now, let's ditch the boring water bottle routine. Infuse your water with fruits, herbs, or even cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. Carry a reusable bottle and track your intake throughout the day. Small, consistent sips are key. Make it fun, make it personal, and watch your body and mind thank you for prioritizing hydration. So, ditch the dehydration blues and embrace the energizing, health-boosting power of optimal hydration. Remember, you are what you drink, so make water your go-to beverage for a life brimming with energy, focus, and vibrant well-being. Thank you for joining us on this hydration journey. If you've made it this far, give this video a thumbs up and explore more health and wellness tips on our channel. Remember, small changes, like prioritizing water, can lead to big results. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and stay tuned for more.